Hello my angels and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we are starting off with my favourite moisturiser ever. This is the Olay Beauty Fluid. I absolutely love it. It's perfect to wear underneath makeup. And then for brows I'm going to go in with my two favourite brow products. These create such a nice long lasting natural or dramatic brow, whatever you prefer. So yeah, these are my absolute faves. It's now time to prime my face. This is honestly the best primer I have ever used. I couldn't recommend it enough. Moving on to foundation, it's now time to mix my two favourite foundations at the moment together. This is the Dior Air Flash mixed with the Benefit Hello Happy foundation. These are so buildable, yet they can be quite lightweight to medium coverage depending on how much you want, and they just last all day long. Honestly, the combination of these two together is incredible. You guys know this is my all-time favourite concealer. I am slowly running out, which is really sad, but it gets rid of my horrible dark circles I have when I wake up in the morning. I've really found that this professional powder really helps to sort of lock in all of my concealer and foundation together, and it doesn't crease. It's honestly incredible. I couldn't recommend this powder enough. I always use this just to set my concealer, and then I'll go on to the Benefit Hello Happy powder just to powder the rest of my face. And it does have a little bit of coverage, so if you don't like coverage I would just stick to the Benefit one, but I like a little bit more coverage as well, and I feel like this makes my makeup last a lot longer. I'm going back to an old favourite here. I'm going to use the Nyx Contour Palette. If you are an OG, you will remember this used to be my all-time favourite. And I'm going to use the Benefit brush. I find this bronzer brush unreal to apply bronzer, so I just used the Nyx Contour Palette with this brush, and it created such a nice summery sort of bronzy glow to my skin. I'm then moving on to eyeshadow. I'm using this Jaclyn Hill one for all my matte shades, and then I'm going to go in with the W7 palette, which is a dupe for the new nude palette from Huda Beauty, and I'm going to use the shimmers in that palette. I created this look because I wanted something quite soft but also very long lasting. For liner and mascara, of course, I'm going to use my two favourites. For long lasting makeup, I like to sort of stay true to makeup that I know will last well, and these two never fail to impress me. Honestly, they're incredible. So yeah, they don't smudge. They're honestly incredible. So if you haven't purchased them already, please do. I'll leave all the links to these products in the description box down below for you angels. For highlighter, I'm going to use my trusty Iconic London powder highlighter. It's honestly incredible and it literally lasts all day, hence why I keep saying this. In my next video.